Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on Menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Here, tap on Show Activity Status. Now turn the toggle off for Show Activity Status. Then turn the toggle off for Show when you're active together. Now go back to the settings. Now search here Activity and tap on Show Activity Status. You can also turn on or turn off your activity status from here. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.